When drawing expressions, if you don't really push the emotion and exaggerate, the result is often underwhelming. This is especially the case with anger, being such a strong emotion. Let's take this anger expression drawing and make it better. First thing we'll do is narrow the eyes. The shape can vary a lot depending on the style you're using, but this is the eye shape I'll use. Also, when the eyes narrow, the skin around them wrinkles. So adjust this by adding a subtle wrinkle line underneath each eye. As for the pupils, in real life, emotion doesn't have much of an effect on the size they are, and the iris doesn't change size at all. In drawing, however, you can make the pupil and/or iris change size drastically, and this will make a huge difference in how the emotion is read. Large pupils are associated with softer emotions, like happiness and sadness, while small pupils are associated with harsh emotions, like fear and anger. So in most cases, small pupils are the best for angry eyes, but going into more detail, I'd say small pupils work best for communicating rage, while large pupils do great for more of a pouting face. Enough about pupils, let's move on to the eyebrows. I'm sure you know that they should be angled down towards each other, but most people don't push them down far enough. Try making the eyebrows touch the tops of the eyes. And to get the shape better, draw one unibrow as a flying bird like this, and then erase the middle. Now, right before the two lines meet, add wrinkles between them. You may also want to add some thickness to the eyebrows. Moving down the face now, there isn't much to say about the nose. You may want to add some nose wrinkles, but that's not going to look very good for most styles, so I'm just going to add a really basic nose here. For the mouth, there are multiple options. You can draw a closed mouth with a slight frown, teeth baring, or a completely open mouth, like the person is yelling. The second two are more complicated, so let's go over them. For a mouth with baring teeth, you'll want a shape that is about like this. It's sort of a trapezoid from the front. Adding the teeth here is more easy than you might think. Adding these sort of dark sideways triangles to the sides of the mouth will do the job perfectly. Easy as that. As for the open mouth, the shape is really just the same but taller. Always keep in mind that the more open the mouth is, as you may have noticed before on these drawings, the farther down the chin should go to fit it. Jaws exist, don't forget. Anyways, the easiest way of simplifying the teeth is taking an onion ring, chopping it in half, and using one half for the top of the mouth and the other half for the bottom. That was a weird way to explain it, but hopefully you got the idea. You can also add a basic tongue back there, which can be as simple as a single line. Now we have a full angry face. Hope this helped.